Hello students, welcome again. Gurukul Online Learning Network. Me Abed Ali Khan. Today I will discuss with you about the volume of similar shape. As we have seen our previous lecture where I have given, I have tried to make understand to our students about the areas of similar shape. So, sorry, in cases of area, what we did, we have taken our corresponding sides square, isn't it? But in cases of volume, it always comes in cube. So here we are gonna see that. Okay. So here you see that two shapes I have drawn for you. The name of the shape is a cone. We will discuss these things more about in our mensuration lecture. Okay. So in geometry, just I am trying to make you understand how to find the volume of similar shapes. So there are two cones. So one volume is given here 36 centimeter cube, and they ask you to find V here. So the formula is almost similar like areas in regarding volumes. Okay, you see that volume of bigger shape divided by volume of smaller shape. Okay, so it's same. So if you remember about the areas formula 1, here only the difference is that I have written here area, but in cases of volume I am writing here volume. And what another thing will be changed here, that if I consider the corresponding side x of the bigger one and the corresponding sides y of the smaller one, then I must write here cube. In square, in area of the shape I have written square, but in cases of volume I am writing here cube, because volume always comes in cube and area always comes in square. You must remember it. So almost the formula is same. So this formula I am using to make it easier to our student so that they can easily understand about the similar shape problem, about the areas problem, about the volumes problem, the what, when and what we have to change. Okay. So now I am coming in maths now. So here they ask me to find volume of the bigger shape. So as you know the formula volume of the bigger shape, I am writing here V. I don't know that. That is my desire to find it out. And volume of the smaller shape. Volume of the smaller shape is given 36. Okay. And the corresponding sides, volume of the bigger shape is 12 and the smaller shape is 9. So I am writing here, and from the formula it comes cube. You must remember, student must remember about the square and cube concept. In cases of area, you will see that I am saying it again and again because most of the students make this problem. They forget about the square and cube one if their concept is not clear, only then. So make your concept very much clear. In cases of volume, it always comes the cube. Okay. Now you sort out this matter, that V is equal to 12 cube. It means what? 12 into 12 into 12. Okay. I am writing in details 12 cube. So V, it's coming here 12 cube divided by 9 cube. 9 into 9 into 9. Okay. You can solve out this mathematics problem according to your way, no problem. Just understand the logic and the way you can sort it out. And that's the 36 here. It comes here into 36. Okay. So to make you easier. So if you cut it out, so it coming what? So I'm making it the less number. Okay. That's into 36, because 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. I'm making it the easier for you. Okay. Now here it's 36. So if I come up with the 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay. So in cases of 36, if I want to cut it out, so for you I'm solving here. 4 4s are 14, 14, 16 4s are 64 divided by 3 12s are 36. So 1 3 gone. Okay. 3 12s are 36. This is another way to sort out. So V equals to 64 divided by 3 into 4. Okay. 3 4s are 24. So it's coming the volume 1 64 into 4 by 3. So you can sort out by using calculator. That will be easier for you. That's cm cube. So here it comes about the volume matter. Okay, so these things you can sort it out by using calculator, but up to I hope that you understand here that 12 by 9, or you can make the less in fraction inside the cube and then you can sort it out. But to try to understand the logic about it, that the volume of the bigger shape divided by volume of the smaller shape, and that is equal to their corresponding sides cube. You must remember that. So let me show you another formula, okay? And another problem I want to discuss with you to make your concept clear. So concentrate here. So you see here two diagram I have drawn for you. So one is about the sphere. We'll also consider about the hemisphere too. And another one is about the frustum. This diagram might be, it's not familiar to our students. So I have drawn this diagram for you. And the name of the shape, this one is frustum. F-R-U-S-T-U-M, frustum. It means that if it's a bigger cone, okay, the full shape of the cone, if we remove the upper part, then the remaining part will be known as frustum. It might be a new shape to our student. That's why I'm discussing mainly about the volumes regarding this shape, okay. So you look here, number one, if I want to sort out with the same problem, volume of a sphere, that's the bigger sphere divided by volume of the smaller sphere. Okay, I'm not writing it again and again. Try to understand verbally according to my lecture, try to understand it. Okay, so volume of a sphere divided by volume of the smaller sphere, that will be equal to their corresponding radius. So it's here, it's given radius. Okay, so I will discuss more about the circle regarding matter in our geometry we have done. So next I will discuss about the circle, okay, in our geometry part. So that will be also very important class. So here I am not discussing much about the circle and radius or about the shape, but in that class you will get that. So here you know the radius is given here 1.2 and the radius is given here 12. So I am writing here, you can keep this one as capital R to make you understand, okay. So 2R if I write, then you might not understand it. And from the volume, as I am writing here volume, so the from the formula it comes the cube one, okay. So volume of the bigger sphere we do not know, so we are writing here V, and the volume of the smaller sphere 4.5, that equals to 1.2 divided by 12, and that it comes the cube one, okay. So here it comes there, if you do the cross multiply like this 1.2, okay. So 1.2 I am writing the same way so that our student can understand about it, and you will gonna sort it out these answers at your home in practice, okay. So 4.5 will comes here, 4.5. So as it is a decimal matter, so I want that you will you try to sort out by yourself and write these answers here. That's the volume of cm cube. So for you, I'm just making up the concept about it. I'm not going the I'm not solving this one, okay? Because these things you can do it by pressing the calculator. That will be answer of here. And same if it comes from the frustum. If you see the frustum, the same way, one volume is given 24. Another volume is given here V, that will be equals to 6 by 9 cube, okay. So here if it comes with the volume one, V will go here and 6 by 9 cube total will come here. So you can also solve this one like this. If I want to show you where it would be easier for you to understand. So let me erase this one, okay, this diagram. You have understood so far. So from here it comes here, okay. So 24 by V equals to 6 into 6 into 6 divided by 9 into 9 into 9. As it's a cube, that's why I am writing it, is to make you understand. And then I can write here 24 into 9 into 9 into 9 divided by 6 into 6 into 6, and that will be V. If you do the cross multiply, you will get the answers like this. So I want also to solve you this, okay? And you write your answer here, and that will be the volume of the frustum. So two of the problems I have solved for you. okay, sphere radius 1 and the volume 1. So in this our lecture, we try to make understand to our student about the volume of the similar shapes and the areas of the similar shapes, and their formula we have given so far. So we hope that our students can confidently solve problems regarding areas of the similar shape and volumes of the similar shape. In our previous lecture, we have also described to our students about the similarity of triangles and also about the congruency. The reason of congruency has also discussed. So I hope that our students can easily understand and they can solve their problems too. So if you face any sort of trouble, please let us know in our comment box. That's what I used to say all the time, and we will gonna solve for you. Thank you very much for today's class, and see you in the next episode. Thank you very much.